You got me singing all day. Girl, I wanna be with you. They don't do me the way you do.
Yes, I'm going to give you guys an introduction. I'm still gonna do it again. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is African Jewel. I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys are well. I don't know why I'm feeling out of breath. I didn't run anywhere. But I hope you guys are good, that you guys are Gucci or whatever. So guys, today, as you guys know, is a part 2 to Igbo boys' names starting with A. I hope you guys have checked out Igbo girls' names starting with A. If you haven't, make sure you guys click that video right after watching this video. Don't click out now. Just wait a few more minutes and then go watch the Igbo girl's name, yeah? Okay, so guys, without further ado, we are going to get into this lesson, and I hope you guys are well and you guys are good. As I asked before, if you are, comment below. If you're not, you can email me and we can chat. Just say it. I don't know why it says put that out there. But yeah, I'm here for y'all. So guys, let's start this lesson. Okay, so as I'm looking down, it's my little notes that I've written. So the first Igbo boy name starting with A is ABAEZE. Let's say it a few more times. ABAEZE. Let's say it a few more times. ABAEZE. One last time. ABAEZE. Together. ABAEZE. What does ABAEZE mean in English? In English, the Igbo name translates to branch of the kings. So yeah, so it's a branch of the kings. That's what ABAEZE translates to. So yeah, let's go on to the next name. The second name that we're going into is AFAMEFUNA. For some reason, I really like this name. Let's say it a few more times. AFAMEFUNA. Let's say it again. AFAMEFUNA. Let's now join all the words together. AFAMEFUNA. Let's say it again. AFAMEFUNA. Let's say it one last time. AFAMEFUNA. What does this name translate to in English? In English, it means my name will not be lost. Like, that is so powerful. Like, not in any way, shape or form will my name be lost. Like AFAMEFUNA. What? That's the name of somebody that's meant to be somebody in life. My name will not be lost. But yeah, guys, let's go to the next Igbo name for boys. Oh, sorry, the third Igbo boy name is AKACHUKWU. Let's say a few more times. AKACHUKWU. A few more times, guys. AKACHUKWU. A few more times. AKACHUKWU. Now together. AKACHUKWU. One last time. AKACHUKWU. What does AKACHUKWU mean in English? In English, the name translates to the hand of God. So yeah, AKACHUKWU means the hand of God. So yeah, let's go on to the next Igbo boy's name. The next Igbo boy name is AKUNNA. As you can tell from the Igbo girl's name that I did, we had one that was called Adako. This one is AKUNNA. So what does AKUNNA mean? If you guys know what Aku means from my last lesson, comment below. Let me see which of you is remembering what I've been teaching here. Yeah, so the next name is AKUNNA. What does AKUNNA mean? AKUNNA. One last time. AKUNNA. AKUNNA translates to father's wealth. AKUNNA in English means father's wealth. So yeah, let's go on to the next name. So the next name is AMOBI. Let's say a few more times. AMAOBI. Let's say it a few more times. AMAOBI. A few more times, guys. AMOBI. And let's join the words together. AMOBI. What does AMOBI translate to in English? AMOBI is like a question. Who knows the heart of man? AMOBI. Who knows the heart of man? AMAOBI translates in English. Who knows the heart of man? So guys, yeah, let's go on to the next name. The next name is AMAECHI. Let's say it a few more times. This is a bit longer. AMAECHI. Let's say it again. AMAECHI. And the short name can be AMAECHI. So that can be your nickname. If your name is AMAECHI, the nickname is AMAECHI. So what does AMAECHI mean? AMAECHI is like thanking God. So thanks be to God. That's what it means. AMAECHI. Thanks be to God. That's what it translates to in English. AMAECHI translates to thanks be to God. Thank you, Jesus. But yeah, so let's go on to the next name. Okay, so the next name is AMAECHI. There's something on my lips, sorry. Let's go again. AMAECHI. A few more times. AMAECHI. A few more times, guys. AMAECHI. What does AMAECHI translate to in English? In English, this simply means who knows tomorrow. AMAECHI in English is who knows tomorrow. So let's say it one more time. AMAECHI. One last time. AMAECHI. So yeah, there you have it. Let's go on to the next name. Okay, the next name that starts with A for boys is AZUBUTKE. Let's go slowly. AZUBUTKE. Let's go a little bit slower. AZUBUTKE. Let's go a little bit slower. Let's now join the words together, actually. Let's say it. AZUBUTKE. Try again. AZUBUTKE. Let's try it a few more times. AZUBUTKE. What does AZUBUTKE translate to in English? AZUBUTKE simply translates to the strength gained from experience of the past. AZUBUTKE in English translates to strength gained from experiences of the past. So yeah, let's go on to the next name. Okay, so the next Igbo name is AKACHI. Okay, so I hope you guys are keeping tune. So let's say it again. AKACHI. Yeah. AKACHI. I was about to say something else. Let's say it a few more times. AKACHI. Aka is hand. Chi, as we know, is what? God. So in English, it literally translates to God's hand. Well, literally it translates to hand of God, because AKACHI. So Aka is first hand of God or God's hand. So whichever way you want to kind of fumble it around, it means God's hand or hand of God. So yeah, let's go on to we have one more name for the boys. So let's go on to that. So, as I said in the girls video, AMARACHI it's a girl's name, but it can also be used for boys. So AMARACHI simply means the mercy of God. Let's say the name a few more times. AMARACHI. A few more times, guys. AMARACHI. A few more times. AMARACHI. That literally translates to mercy of God. And if you want it as a nickname, it could just be Amara. So that can be a girl's name or a boy's name. So yeah. So guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed my video today. Comment below if you're Igbo and you already have an Igbo name. Comment below, let's know. Comment your Igbo name and the meaning, and I'll comment mine and my meaning. So yeah, let's exchange names, guys. So if you have another boys' names that start with A, comment it below so that other people can see it and what it means. So yeah, thank you guys. We are going to be back with more names for you guys, starting with different letters. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, comment below, and share this video, because you never really know who is going to reach tomorrow. So I would really appreciate it if you can click that subscription button below and that little bell thingy there, so you guys get notification when I post. You see me? Okay, so guys, let's go on to... That's not what I was going to do. Which other thing I might do? Please guys, I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye. See you guys later.